What's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway is we have this beautiful Billy Goat multi-vac with a Honda GCV 190. It has the OHC, the overhead cam, which you know is not the best Honda out there. We want the valve, overhead valve instead of cam, because the lobes like to wear off. Nonetheless, this is a beautiful machine. Pretty cool. Beverage holder right over here. I'm looking for a model number as we go along here, and I don't see it. I just literally ran home from work because I really want to. This is an easy fix. Oh, it's right here. Oh, this stuff is frozen. Model number doesn't even have that. Oh, MV650H. Serial number 0911062287. Oh man. So this is really a shame that it's in this shape, but that's what happens. There's just a lot of rust on this. The guy picked this up at a garage sale for free, and because it didn't run. Well, lucky him. But he doesn't have any space to store it, so he's been storing it outside. And I told him, "You're a nut." I'm friendly with him, so I kind of said not some nice YouTube friendly stuff to him. Look at that. There's no way, no way. He does want me to correct, if we can get this running. I know we will get this running. He said that the pull cord was a mile long, and all he did was shorten it. So I guess this is the correct length, so I'm not going to do anything with this until we get this running. And I just pulled on the cord. But oil is clean, but that means nothing. Once I do get it running, he does want me to change the oil. Air filter is brand new. I did look it over with him while he was here, because he's like, "Listen, I don't want you to take this if it's not worth it." So I think it's worth it. I tried finagling it from his hands, but he's not as stupid as I think he is. He says this thing is worth a lot of money, and he's right, Air filter is new-ish. The only thing I'm contemplating on doing is, if I want to put gas in here and try and start it, or while it's dry, at least just try and poke the carburetor. Because there is a little bit of gas in here. It is a little crusty. So I think I'm just going to I'm gonna grab a 10 millimeter, and we are going to go to the bottom of the jet. Alright, so I have it on the jack stand for you guys. You don't have to do this, but I am going to, for your viewing pleasure. This thing on here, this 10 millimeter here, is the drain. Right here at the very bottom is our access to our jet. Now we are getting fuel. Smells rancid. But let's see what we got. There's going to be a lot of rust at the bottom of this. Now, you know what? Let me turn this over so I can see what you guys see. Excuse me. Focus. Come on. Look at that. A little rusty. But we're going to try and poke it anyway. Hey, you know what? No. Let's stick with poking. I was going to try and pull the float, right? And just try and pull a bowl and see what kind of buildup we have here. But we're not. This is quick and dirty. And I'm using my torch tip cleaners. You know what's funny, right? So I've had a lot of people comment about the things they use to clean a carburetor. And maybe I'm going to make a video on it, because one of them I thought was absolutely wild. Wild. I'm just trying to get a nice thick one in there. It was absolutely wild, and you know what? You can't make fun of it if it works, and it works, but that's going to people thinking outside the box, which I thought was like hysterical. I don't think, oh, that's some good penetration. I don't think Mrs. Pattay's Performance would be too happy if I did what this one person did. But desperate times call for desperate measures, and he was able to fix his machine. So I like it. I like it. A MacGyver trick, in my opinion. And all right, that's it, nice and tight. We'll get you off the stand, and we'll get you guys a better view.